Today we're doing an unboxing video of the Aicok 1.7 liter electric kettle. Bought this on Amazon, came in this morning, was shipped in this in the box itself. Alright, let's just get to it. Some features of this thing: very great English translation heat retain, cool to the touch, rapid boil, and full stainless steel. So let's take a look at what's inside. We got our instructional manual. Let's see if it's in English. It appears to be in English. Alright, let's move on. This comes off. And here's our kettle. Let's see if I can do this with my hand. Yep. Simple packaging, gets right to the point. Awesome. 1 second. Alright, sorry about that, using my hand. Here's the tea kettle. Looks pretty nice actually. The base should be somewhere in here. There, we got the base. Here's the base. See, just plop it on there. Oh, appears to be it. Alright. Doesn't seem to be too sturdy on here. Let's just take a look. That's just because the wire itself isn't unrolled yet. Anyway, to put water in here, push this button right here. Pops open. Stainless steel throughout. Actually, it looks pretty nice. Alright, so that was your unboxing video.